Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to set background to PNG image in Adobe Photoshop. So let's started. At first open your Adobe Photoshop document. In this video I will show. Now firstly we can see open the PNG image. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click for open option. Now select from PNG image. Now click, then click for open. Now you can see then show the open PNG image. Now add background. Now you can see then again file menu option, then click. Now click for open option. Now we select from any background. Now click for open. Now then show the open the other background. Now keyboard press from Ctrl A. Now move the background from move. Now keyboard press from F7 from layer. Now layer 1 up to the layer 0, that is. Now you can see then I show add background to PNG image in Adobe Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.